This is one of the best seller for us. No charge, only the token. But they have a vending machine for the food. It's ready-made already. Sparkling water also. So they need to bring their tumbler and then they can get here. It's free also. And also we have this one, the Nest Hotel. We have also here free parking, but this one is for the scooter and then for the bike. Yes, gym is open 24 hours. So this is one is a share kitchen and share bathroom, but they have own door. Okay, so here is they have still privacy because it's a closed door. So in this room they have a own cabinet. So this is where is the student they can put their clothes and everything. We have hanger. Okay, so we provide already the furniture. What you can see here is you will find also. But some of this one is only for the showroom. Okay, in the original room it will be clear. Okay, and then we provide this one the study table, study chair, and then this one is the bed. So we provide only one pillow, blankets will be there, and then duvet set. And then also they have a bin bag. Here is the bin bag is there, so it will be included bin bag. Okay, so this is the one is the other bed. Then also for the kitchen, here we provide the oven, okay, for cooking. And then they have some spare cabinets. And then here, and then this is a share fridge. So it's a big one. So we provide this one with the kitchen, okay. And then here in the bathroom, this kind of things, it will be included also. And then it will have a shower curtain. Also here is a sharing room. We call this twin kitchen. Okay, why we call twin kitchen? It will be 2 persons. They can see each other and then it's all equally divided. Okay, one set here and then one set for the other side. And then for the cabinets, they are sharing. Okay, and then this one is also one hanger. And then also the same, also one hanger here. Not same that one is they have partition, but this one is open.
So this is the most common one? More common one?
Yes, for especially for big education, they are using this one. Either no kitchen or this one is with kitchen. And then we have available for this one with balcony. And then also this is the bathroom. So they will be sharing.
Probably same washroom like the previous one?
Yes. Here for the next one is a private with kitchen. It's only for one person. This is one of the best seller for us. Okay, because some of the students they want to be a privacy, so this one is with them. And then the difference from the other type of room, this is more bigger the bed. For this cabinet, it will be for them only. Okay, and then they have a kitchen also. Okay, so you can see there's no washing machine. The washing machine, it will be in the ground floor. This is twin. It's no kitchen, no balcony. Okay, so for no kitchen, we provide the small fridge and then microwave because cooking is not allowed. So how is the student survive for their daily needs? They are ordering for the talabat by noon. For some of your, we have provide the shared kitchen. Yeah, that is one is the common kitchen, but it's only one cooking plate is there. Yes. So for this type of room, this is twin, no kitchen. Okay.
No kitchen.
Only twin, but we have also twin plus balcony, but only for male side. Female side we don't have. This is the last, but not the least. So this is a private room. Private room. Okay, so again, for male is they have private and private balcony available. For female only, just only private. And this room is more bigger, okay? But in the actual room is smaller. We are explaining direct to the student. For some who's viewing, it's a smaller room only. This is the private room, same as the with kitchen. This is no kitchen. And then we have also private plus balcony.
Plus we have a bigger study table as well compared to the previous one. Okay.
Now let's go to the amenities and facilities. Okay, as I mentioned to you earlier, laundry room, it will be in the ground floor. So each building, they have a different types of the laundry room.
Alright. And what are the charges for the same?
No, there's no charges. It's included. Yes, it's included. But they need have a token. Token is you can borrow only for the security. You will insert there, and then the machine will be operated. So here is the washing, and then top is the dryer. Okay, so this is the washing machine. So the token, it will be here, and then they can press here, and then they can put here their clothes, and then they can put here the fabric conditioner and then fabric detergent. And then after that one, this is the dryer. They will put the token, and then it will be go, and then return it back to the security.
So there is no charge for it?
No charge, only the token. It will be this machine, it will be work only by token. And the token, it will be always available in the security. Yes. It's all included.
So all the buildings have a separate laundry room?
Yes, laundry room. Each building. This one is Nest Campus, they have laundry. And 11, they have a laundry also. And 12 is they have a laundry. Okay, so each building, they have a receptionist, okay? So they are helping if any kind of problem, so they can call and then they can ask the receptionist here. Okay?
So every building entrance looks like this?
Not same, but because this one is built with, only this one is built with kitchen. So most of their Nest 11, Nest 12 is no kitchen. So we providing here the access card. So you need to get the access card. We are here for our library. We have also here free parking, but this is one is for the scooter, and then for the bike, this is the parking for them. So this is our library. It's from House of Wisdom. Where the student can lend the book and then study. Okay, so this campus is gender separated. Male and female is separated. Example, if the student is staying here for the boys, allowed only is for the same gender.
So how many buildings do we have in total?
Total 12. Yes, 12 buildings. Okay, so for the amenities and facilities, so this one is the gaming room, where the student can have chill after their schooling. Okay, so this is the basketball and the football. Okay, and then we provide the swimming pool also. It's not deep, but we have a lifeguard in case of emergency. Okay, and then we are opening in the morning, and then we're closing at 8 p.m. And then each building, they have a number. This is N11 and this is Nest 12. So these two building, it's no kitchen. In N11, they have the supermarket. Okay, here. This is the blue mark. Come here, inside. And each building, they have a water dispenser. This is we provide for the university, for the student. So this is the blue mark. They can do delivery also. They can do delivery. Also, we provide this one for the student. So this is the choices. We have a hot water, we have a cold, sparkling water also. So they need to bring their tumbler and then they can get here. It's free also. We have a gym. Yes, gym is open 24 hours. If you have a car, you can park also in the basement.
So the gym is only in one building or all the buildings?
All the buildings per day. Because this not only one or two equipments.
It's a big gym?
Yes, it is. Here. This one of the students they like here for the gym. Okay. And then for the buses, you can go there. Okay, so this is our Nest campus.
And as you mentioned, there are separate buildings for females.
Yes, females is in the other side.
Females on the other side.
Yes,
male on
this
this
is
side.
one is for the male side. You can see they have a barrier, so that is one is the female side. And for the female side, we have 3 with kitchen. But here in the male side, it's only Nest 4 is they have a kitchen.
How old is the accommodation? When was this established?
Established, it will be of 2.5 years. So it will be, yes.
So it is very new.
Yes, it's almost new. And then the delivery, they can do delivery here. They will go only in the gate number 3. And then they can deliver in the reception. Because if you see the reception, they have a delivery item. So the student can take their items they ordered. Okay, and then also we have this one, the Nest Hotel. We built this Nest Hotel is because this is gender separated. If the student is male, so only the father and mother can visit it. Okay, and then for the female, if the student is a female, so only mother, sister can visit it. Okay, that's why this Nest Hotel, it's a mixed gender. So the family, the mother, father, they can stay together. Also for the Nest 11 and Nest 12, they don't have built kitchen, but they have a bento machine for the food. It's ready-made already. This one is also will be there each building. Wi-Fi access is free also. It's depend how many months they are staying here. If they want to stay here for 5 months, we are giving 5 months. If they are staying for 1 month, we are giving 1 month. And then if they pay for the extension, we are giving another one. Okay, and also for the access card, we are renewing. It's depend to the contract for the student.
Planning to study in the UAE? Searching university websites one by one can take hours, sometimes even days. That's why Flint, India brings you the UAE Course Finder. Just visit our website, open the Course Finder, and search for your preferred program. You'll get real-time results from major UAE universities with details like course duration, location, level of study, and fees shown in Indian rupees. You can also filter courses by duration, location, and program level, or sort them by fees from low to high or high to low. So before you choose a university in the UAE, make your research easier. Visit Flint India's website and try the UAE Course Finder today.